The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture. Spend 2,999 or more and stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 1 million rands. View our latest catalog and shop these amazing deals by the 6th of April 2025 while stock lasts. T's and C's apply. It is good TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CO.za. It's Polokwane City losing to Orlando Pirates at the old Peter Mokaba Stadium. A game that Orlando Pirates are playing in between the CAF Champions League. So it's a match that we're not supposed to be playing in important matches, but they did play. And fortunately for them, they won as well. Polokwane City deserves nothing from the game. They played against a tired team, a team that was coming from Algeria, but you couldn't tell from the way that they applied themselves. So well done to Orlando Pirates. Mr. So-and-so, former Orlando Pirates captain. What did you make of the game, sir?
Mr. Gionjan Vito.
Yes, sir.
Mbulise wena, mbulise Stizi, mbulise Chairman, mbulise Shane, mbulise Lindo Mkwena. Ngibulisa nane emakhaya ngicela support njalo ayitiskithi. Nje benje njalo ngichiki futhi. Ubobo Khadoso, happy birthday kuBobo Khadoso. Ibirthday yakhe namhlanje. Mr. Gio, njengoba ngishile nge half time. Ngiyacheka ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiphethe something.
I thought maybe we can give him something. Do you have anything in your pocket?
I was checking la ukuthi khona something nyana ngoba ngiyazi hayi ka right akuna next. Manje into yazini. Ukuthi sizombona umfethu. As long as sinomnika ama blessings ngomlomo. There's nothing edlula leyo msiki. Money can't buy that. More keep it what happy birthday. No more keep million but cannot return those words.
CBC with the winning goal. Goal or no goal, offside or no offside?
No clean goal, Mr. Gio. Goalkeeper lapha I think uphazamiswe uMakhehleni, thought uMakhehleni uzoyithatha. So uphumile nje just nje ukuthi nayo uya disturb kanti ibhola belize kuye so he couldn't hold ibhola and then captain my captain nango ke hey madoda. Abamakora abo captain wazi ukuthi kusuke kunzima. Yeah, no captain usukele emuva set piece what goal. But ngishilo Mr. Gio ngathi Paris uzowina 1-0 because why ngisho njalo I could see ukuthi iPolokwane they're not willing to put pressure ku Pirates ukubakhathaza, make them worried ukuthi guys when travel and none we are exposing you are tired, you can't do anything. They couldn't do that and abantu ababukeke ngathi bebayodlala iChampions League ePolokwane City because they were just sitting lapana badlala njengabantu abakhathele ukuthi we don't want to run because travelile sibuya lena Tunisia lena sodlala manje sa travela sizejozi futhi sazodlala so isikhathele nje but yeah well done to izimnyama 3 points ngenile ya eda laphayana angikhuluma okuningi sengisho nje ukuthi ibhek ngathi lokuyagcwala sizobonana nabanye phambili. Ungangifuna eziningi bese ngiyo. Siyathatha nje thina sithulile sizawubonana nabanye phambili. Angithi sesiyayivala igap. No, siyasebenza njengoba kufanele sosebenza. Sithatha 3 points. Siqhubeke siphambili.
Yabona ikhona iangle enifuna uyenza ku Royal.
No, Mr. Gio asethi
la maqhenga wena. iRoyal yamnifake bomnyameni. Nifake bomnyameni Royal kuqhaba kuthathwa ezi points za Sundowns.
Mr. Gio
qala izinto zenu.
Sifuna wonke umuntu abe equal Mr. Gio. Mangabe sonke sisayine ipetition mayiqala isizini ukuthi sizodlala sonke. So sonke mawuwina ukuthi wonke umuntu wena participate nawe. So mangabe ngikhonanga mina ukathola kwama points. No, sonke awathathwe sonke sifaneni madoda. Why wena uqhubeke ngawo mina ngayithola ngophi?
Qala izinto zenu zasebumnyameni.
No Mr. Gio siyalungisa
kahle. Wena tafileni.
Hayi Mr. Gio angithi wena utholile opportunity angitholanga mina. So uthi mina ngoba ngayitholanga opportunity kwenze njani ngami? Angikhale. Asifane sonke mangabe sibakhipha iRoyal ukuthi no madoda nikhona ukuqhubeka siyakhatha. So masenikhatha konke ukuthi iRoyal emele kuphume ligini.
Umamkhize nomkhupha umphefumulo.
Umamkhize
nimvalela umnyango.
Umamkhize sohlala naye phansi simbonisa ukuthi kwenziwa njani izinto la ebholweni. Sometimes ezinye izinto azifuna uzenze ngenhliziyo Mr. Gio. Yes singabantu nokuhluthuka nawo umuntu.
Mr. Sonso.
Akufanelanga uhluthuke sonke isikhathi. Ubuya nganene.
Ilona nabaqaba intshongo emehlweni nifuna za points za Sundowns.
No says now we sizothatha lapha ePolokwane awethu la. Lawo manje asifuni into esengayidlalelanga Mr. Gio. That's why sengasho ukuthi no nathi mele sithole 3 point because beba selikini sine petition so.
Kaloku nina nidlala manje so.
Yeah, sidlalanga nabo so.
I-bad luck yenu nina nizadlala 28 games abanye bazodlala 30.
No, sikhatha wonke umuntu Mr. Gill. Wonke umuntu makuthe siyayikhipha irole AM. Skipper yonke into ehlanganisa irole AM. Ukuthi uye wathola ipoint ku role AM, wathola 3 point ku or wathola 6, siyakhatha nje konke ukuthi irole AM usale nje kube uhube emsulwa.
So when we take it from this perspective,
yeah,
it actually means that the title race is closer. It gets closer than we thought. All of this 15-point gap becomes maybe 4-point gap now.
Unfortunately, ezinye izinto nanoma sithanda ukuyibuyisa irole but manje ezinye izinto angeke sikwazi ukuzijamba
season is over.
Yeah, so anything ethi irole siyayikhipha ku Betway Premiership. Yonke into ethi irole siyayikhipha. So
including the points you gain.
Konke nje ukuthi irole nje. Mawuke wadlala nerole sizominus nje lapho nje. Cut. Cut. Ongabe uthole 6 points ayikhatha 6.
Orlando East.
Hayi Mr. King.
Izikrelemnqa zase Orlando East.
Angithi Mr. King uwazi phela masingene eligini sonke siyasayina ukuthi sizowadlala wonke ama game sonke. So manje ke mawungasakhona ukuqhubeka nama game. No, kusho ukuthi akususe yonke into yakho. Asishilutho
kodwa nina bamnyama. Uba ibinini abantu abaneza points eziya umamkhize beneza mkhuphe eboxini encwabeni nithi izanodlala beneza mkhuphe bomnyameni nithi izanodlala
yazi bese ke kunjani angithi ufana nobaba mawubona ukuthi umntana wakho wenza ibusiness lapha uyayibona ibusiness yakhe ngathi ay ngathi uba bankrupt lapha uyaphuma la endlini ubaba no athi cothoze lapha cothoze fike khipha amasenti wami ngiyenze lapho mawumntanami ngizokwenza lokho kodwa phela mangabe ungala kumakhelwane laphana bongichomela laphana ukuthi wena no uvule ikhampani enzima lapha sikubukele mase kubona ukuthi ngathi yawa hayi ngeke ngiphume la ngikhipha amasenti wami okugcina ngiwasave for the past 50 years bese ngwakhiphele wena but mawumntanami yabona singithi nje manje nje thiwe yenzakala ku Chiefs or yenzakala ku Sundowns anyakutshela manje besilungisa manje bawaphuma wonke lapha bangaba yashoda besibizana sonke lapha sefone ukuthi madoda mamelani la ayikwazi ukuphuma le mayingaphuma ayilikisa ivali.
Yeah, we are content creators, we're having fun. Back to the point at hand here.
Yes.
There's nothing much to say about this game
other
than to say, well done, Orlando Pirates. You had more energy than the team that was well rested. You proved that you're superior. Well, they don't have to prove anything. Pirates is bigger than Polokwane City. But the players were professional enough. Even with Istori Saka coach Ohamba, you couldn't even tell that. You could not even tell that there's a coach who was leaving, which was one of the things that we were looking at. How is it going to affect the team? I know Polokwane City is a lesser of a challenge than maybe playing in the Nedbank Cup final, playing in the Champions League. Maybe the challenge will be there, but professional performance.
Mr. Keo, njoba bengishilo izolo ngathi mina, one thing that I like about a coach, you can see the personality yakhe. He's a professional coach. He takes his job very serious. Lento ukuthi uyahamba end of the season, to him ingathi something ngathi ayikho. Looking at how everyone is responding to him, how he put himself in the game, uyabona ukuthi the planning is there. He's doing everything proper as if he's not going anywhere, and that's professionalism. And you know, ngishilo ngathi mina inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ukuthi Pirates will leave, we lose this coach. It's like there's a part of me esukayo when I know that this coach is leaving the team because of look at how the team is playing. I mean, today they've shown with all the traveling, with all the pressure that they had.
And there's still a second leg as well.
Still a second leg, and the coach says, I'm there, I'll push. And this game of today, it gave me another picture of him. And that's why he's going to leave end of the season.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much. It was a fun conversation. I hope you enjoyed it too as well. There are times that we don't have to dwell too much on the games, really, because there wasn't much really in that game, other than the fact that the Pirates, of course, were professional. I even went as far as saying that even if it was offside, I would rather give that game, if I were to choose which team must win, I would give it to Pirates, because Polokwane City, you play against tired players, traveling players, they have the stress of the second leg. Even next week, in the same week, they are playing in the semi-finals of the Nedbank Cup. But when you don't even test them, test their energy, outrun them, you know, outwork them. Even if you are weaker players, there's nothing weak about running. You don't need quality to run. You don't need quality for energy. You don't need quality for enthusiasm. So that was quite disappointing. But anyhow, well done to Orlando Pirates. It is good times. We're so betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.